What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, in today's video it's just gonna be a daily vlog, like a little vlog. I really don't have much going on this weekend to post, but I'm gonna stay consistent. So anyways, my friend's coming over with her boyfriend and we're just gonna make dinner for the boys and kind of just hang out and play board games and all that. So we're just gonna make a little laid back vlog today, and that's what it's gonna be. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you keep watching. For the first thing that I'm gonna do today is kind of just make myself look a little decent. Y'all seen me getting ready like 17 times, maybe like just 3, but I feel like that's enough. So I'll just come back whenever my makeup is completely done, and then we'll go from there. After that, then whenever they get here, we need to run to the store and grab everything we need. We need to figure out which meal we're gonna make and then run to the store and grab everything we need. Come back, we'll cook, play video games, watch movies, and go from there. So yep, that is the checklist, the to-do list for today, and without further ado, we're just gonna get right into it. Okay, so I'm in the middle of curling my hair with this little cheap curling iron. I don't know if it's cheap, I mean it's Conair, and yeah, so just wanted to give an update. My makeup's done and now I'm curling my hair. Have any of you watched Scandal? Because like, oh wait, I should probably tell y'all, like, I tried the little heatless curl wave thing that you stick on your head and you wrap your hair around, like basically like this, but you sleep in it, and y'all, that shit did not work. My hair did not curl. I mean, it did not curl at all, and I don't know if it's because I'm a bad sleeper, and I'll insert a clip of how I look when I took it, or like when I woke up. But it... Okay, y'all, it's the next morning and I'm gonna go eat breakfast. I don't think this worked really well, so I don't know if I was supposed to sleep with this clip in, but I did. Anyways, I think this might have been a fail, because why is it so loose in my head like this? Like, I don't know, whatever. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I don't know what I did wrong, but I mean, it's definitely curling. Maybe I should have wet it before. I mean, it's not bad. Let me brush it. Let me hold on. But it did not work at all, and I don't know if I don't know why, but I don't know what the reason. I don't even want to guesstimate the reason. And maybe it's just because I'm wearing a wig, but my wigs, like I wear real wigs, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So there's no reason for it not to work. I gotta find a bobby pin real quick. Hold on. Okay, so I found a bobby pin so I can like pin up the front pieces so they're not so loose. But the curl you're seeing in my hair right now is the curl that I got with using, like this on this side was the curl that I got from using that hair, the heatless curl thing. And as you can see, that is actually nothing. So now I'm gonna use this new little the curling iron that I got from, I think, Gabe's, y'all. I think I did get it from Gabe's because I needed a bigger barrel. Like, I have one that's like tiny barrel, but I wanted a bigger one. So all right, that was just me checking in. So I'm about to start watching TV again, and I'll come back whenever I'm done. All right, so I've pinned my hair up from curling it. I'm gonna clean up this mess on my vanity. Oh, I got this fake nose ring off of Temu, a site that's really cheap. You get everything really cheap, and every time I do a makeup, I put it in now, even though I don't really have a nose ring. I don't really wear nose rings, but it's cute, and I will never make the commitment to actually put a hole in my nose, but I will wear a fake one. So yep, like I said, I'm gonna clean this up and then I'm gonna pull these pins out my hair. I've hairsprayed them and they've sat for a little while, and we're gonna go from there. took the hair down. This side's actually like really pretty. This side is giving me, I don't know. I mean, it's pretty, but if you like put it down like here, I mean, it's still pretty. It's still pretty. You just need a little, I think you need a little loving at the end right here. So maybe if I just turn this back on and put this there, boom, then we'll go like that. Give that a second to heat up, and then I'm gonna like recurl the bottom of this, because this part like flows and it's so pretty, and this part's giving like nothing. So it's giddy. It's not giving anything. Oh, I might need a, yeah, 1 second. Okay, y'all, so this is in between. I don't know what I left off doing. I think I was taking my curls out, but the curls ended up falling anyways because it was raining, and then I had to go with my fiance down the road. But right now I'm in my breezeway, and I got this kite from Walmart. So it is like actually wind advisory, like 80-mile-an-hour winds or whatever, and I'm gonna go fly my kite. It's kind of raining too, so let's see how this goes. All right, let me set the camera up. All right, y'all, so my lips are all over my face because I was outside trying to fly a kite in the 80-mile-an-hour winds that we have because we have a wind advisory. But my dishes are dirty, so I need to get them clean before they show up. We still don't know what we're eating tonight, so we also got to figure that out, and then go to the store again, and then come back and then cook something up. So just stay tuned. I'm about to clean my dishes, and then we'll go from there. They should be pulling up any minute now, though, because they're supposed to be here like 6:30, so. It is 6:44 right now, and I just finished doing the dishes, and they still ain't here. So let me figure out where she's at, and then I'll come back to the video, okay? So me to stop, like, you be like, hey, what's up, shawty? What's up, Johnny? Okay, so Kendra is almost here. I guess we just decided on street tacos, so as soon as she gets here, we're gonna go to the store and get everything we need. And from there, I guess with her, I gotta tell her she needs to be at 5 for her to be here at 6, which we're not really, like, there's no specific time that she had to be here, but the girl just be like, she don't know what time she gonna get where. She be like, yeah, I'll be there at 6, comes at 7. I mean, at least I'm prepared, but dang, do better, sis, do better. Okay, so look who's finally here.
Hello.
Hour later, but now we're about to go to the store and grab some food so we can cook. She looks good today. Look at her.
Today. Thank you.
Look at me. But look at her. She look good. Okay, all right. We're gonna go.
My name is Kendra.
Uh-huh.
And Tati and I have been friends for, it's been like 8 or 9 years now.
A long ass time.
A long ass time.
I'm gonna tell y'all my label for her. This is my most Okay, we laugh about it, but it's serious. This is the only thing she is consistent at is being inconsistent when it's time to hang out.
Absolutely.
But so am I. I've gotten like that now. I never used to be me, but I'm like, let me learn from her a little bit. I'm not gonna put it all on her. Like, we getting old.
We are.
But honestly, it's better now than it used to be. So, but we've been friends for a while. A long, long, long time. But we're almost to the store and we're gonna go shop and get some chicken and some tortillas and everything else we need. All right, see y'all in a second. Okay, so we got some cheese, some tortillas, some onions and bell peppers, some chicken, more tortillas, Parmesan garlic, and then we also have some Oreos. So we're gonna make some brownies with these. So we're gonna start cooking, and this is Tati and Kendra's cooking show. And right now she's dicing up some onions, so judge her very heavily, okay? I'm gonna wash this chicken, aka just rinse it off with water. All right, y'all. I'm buttering the tortillas and putting them on the grill, and I'm warming them up and putting them on our street taco tortilla makers. Okay? Okay. See what Nate wants on. All right, we're gonna eat and I'll be right back. Now we're playing sorry.
Long time since I played.
I hate everybody here.
Not me!
No.
Turn this fucking phone off.
Alexa!
Start it!
I've been sitting down and my hair look a mess because I'm stressed. But second game, I got third. Kendra got last. First game, I got last. She got third. The boys are just whipping out. But they literally, like, we're not sleeping with them tonight. They sleeping on the couch because if y'all just, like, I'm going to see if I can insert little snippets of the way they talk to us when they're playing the game.
Oh, yes, oh, man. Wait. You was here?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
You don't know how to count, bitch? I know how to count. You don't.
I do. I say a lot of shit backwards. I'm sorry. I think I'm dyslexic.
Well, I can never go.
I can tell by the way you read these cards.
No.
There we go.
There we go. Hey,
Oh,
we golden now.
Oh, fuck me. Bitch.
Oh, that was dumb as fuck.
You should have grabbed the other
That was
one.
dumb as fuck.
Why the f would you move something out of your safe zone? You have a free one.
I'm straight fucking no. Fuck
Oh.
yeah, send your bitch back home.
Alright.
You're stupid.
Oh, fuck you.
You are dumb as
fucking
hell.
now. Jesus.
It's not fun. It's not fun at all. Like, Gary says I'm the one with the attitude when I played. He about to tear the whole house down because he just... And he the one that's been winning, so whatever. I'm not going to talk him up too much, but I don't know. I think we're about to play Jenga, so I'll insert some clips to that.
Backstory about the upcoming clip. Nate still did not understand the rules of Guess Who 5 games in, and the next clips are the results. If you don't like cussing, don't watch, skip over it. But we thought it was really funny, so I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as we do.
Can I go first? Is your person wearing a dark colored shirt?
Yes. Yes.
Do you think that's a good one?
Yeah, because 90% of these wearing dark colored shirts.
Exactly. So we can't.
Okay, so if it was the other way around,
We can't put that shit because they all got black shirts on.
no, it would have narrowed down to one, and then we would have won right off the bat. Two actually.
Oh my god.
Wait, is
He
that
said it and it's done.
exactly?
No, fuck. Get the fuck.
He got a good one. He got a good one.
It would have been one of those two. It'd have been a fucking.
That would have been a hell of a question.
It would've been.
I'll give it to you.
That was stupid as fuck.
That's a better question. You're getting there.
Can I ask that one?
Yeah, you know.
Does your person have facial hair?
No.
Oh fuck yeah! That's a good one. That's a fucking good one. That's a good one. Wait, no, that's a bad one. It said no.
What?
No, never mind. That's right.
Why'd you put
How
it?
does that make sense?
What the are you trying to do this goddamn thing?
They
You said
don't-
they don't have
They
facial
don't
hair.
have facial hair.
Yeah,
so why
they-
y'all smacking down every one? They had 2 left. I was like, that's a goal.
Listen,
How the fuck?
there ain't a girl on this board that's got facial hair. I said, does your person have facial hair? There ain't a on that board that's got facial hair.
What? Why are you saying no shit?
So put them down.
No. They
They
don't
don't
have facial hair.
have facial hair.
They don't have it.
Yeah.
So ain't got facial hair.
Exactly.
Exactly, you put them down. Bop, 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 bop.
You put down the ones that do have facial hair.
Oh.
I don't want to play. I don't want to play. I don't want to play with it no more.
I don't wanna play with it no more.
This is the 3rd time we explaining this.
Oh. So put the ones down that do have facial hair?
Okay, it's 1:30 in the morning and we're done with games. Me and Garrett conquered and divided. And Kendra and Nate sucked completely tonight.
I fucking won, sorry. And I got second place the second
He
time.
did win and sorry.
Yeah, but
He did.
sorry is luck. Sorry is luck of the draw.
Here we fucking
Oh.
go. Here we fucking go.
Nate was trash at Guess Who. Like, I've never met somebody who didn't know how to play
So
a
much.
6-year-old
Something
plus
so fucking
game.
simple.
But we're not judging.
You said ignorant shit too, so try again.
Okay, so I'm closing it out. We had a good day. We had a good
Boy.
day, right? Good Saturday?
Great Saturday, even though it's
It
Sunday.
was great Saturday/Sunday.
They're whack as anyways.
Hey, pick your chair up.
Yeah, we're closing out. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed our cooking / game night / whatever. Okay? Bye.